Greetings all and welcome to AlgoFox. In today's video, we are going to talk about a basic AFL called as Supertrend. We're going to talk how to backtest it, how to scan, how to explore, and even how to automate using this AFL. This AFL comes with a target and a stop loss. It also has two modes. One is for intraday and other is for positional trading. Apart from this AFL, all the AFLs that we develop have these features. The AFLs are scan enabled, explore enabled. They have the backtest code embedded that works in Indian market as well as international markets. We give the code with source code. That means you can share this code with your friends and family for multiple usage. The automation code that helps you automate trades from AMI broker to your preferred broker is also integrated, and the AFLs works on all the time frames. Let's explore how exactly Supertrend works. To add Supertrend to the AMI broker, click on new blank chart, click on the plus button and click on the new blank chart and click on this formula editor. Open the basic AFL folder that you would have purchased. In the basic AFL, you'll get the Supertrend AFL. Click on the Supertrend, click on open, and this is how the code looks like. Simply click on the apply button. Once you apply, the strategy will be applied on AMI broker. Close the formula window, and this is how the Supertrend looks on the chart. At the above of the chart, there is an empty window. So right click and click on close, and now you will have a window full of Supertrend on your preferred stock. Now I have set of around 200 scripts, and you can see that Supertrend is applied on all the 200 stocks. I can now backtest, scan, explore, and play around with the Supertrend. To scan, backtest, and explore, I'll click on this plus button and then click on new analysis window. In the new analysis, I'll have to pick the same Supertrend AFL. Note that even if you have added Supertrend on the chart, it is not enough. You will have to add it again in the analysis window, else the analysis window will not show you the result as per the Supertrend. So I'll just click on this pick a file, go to the basic AFL folder where I have all the 10 AFLs listed, click on the Supertrend and click on open. The moment I open the Supertrend AFL, in the parameters, I can play around with the Supertrend parameters. Firstly, I can play around with target and stop loss. For now, let us say I have 1% target from my entry price and 1% stop loss from my entry price. In intraday mode on, if the intraday mode is on, then these are the intraday mode setting. At what time I want to start the trade, till what time I want to take the entry, and at what time I want to square off. Similarly, I can play around with Supertrend parameters, the period and factor. The most popular are 10 and 3. So I'll make it 10 and 3. However, you can play around with any other Supertrend factor that you like, and then click on OK. The moment you click on OK, that's it. You can now use this AFL on your desired watch list. To select your desired watch list, click on this filter icon and select the watch list that you want to put the AFL onto. I have selected list 3 where I have close to 180 stocks. I click on OK and simply click on scan. The moment I click on scan, the scanning will start and it will scan all the stocks that are in my watch list, and it will give me the result that which stock has generated entry or exit. Similarly, I can click on explore. The difference between scan and explore is that on explore you will get detailed report of the scan that has taken place. However, scan and explore works almost similarly. Apart from scan and explore, you can even backtest. For backtesting, we would suggest you to at least backtest for last 90 days. To backtest for last 90 days, simply click on this one recent day and change the number from 1 to 90 and click on the backtest. The moment you click on backtest, the backtest result will be complete, and you will see that Supertrend of 10 and 3 has given you a loss of 100%. Now you can play around with Supertrend parameters risk reward ratio to come up with the profitable set. For example, 10 and 3 is not working, so I'll go to parameters and I'll change it to say maybe 10 and 2, and then again click on backtest. After backtesting, it is still giving me a loss of 100%. So I might consider changing time frame. So in the settings, instead of 5 minutes, I'll say select 15 minutes and click on backtest. In 15 minutes, the strategy has given a profit of 147% with winning accuracy of around 48% and losing accuracy of 51%. So this is how you can scan, explore and backtest using a Supertrend AFL. Here are the points that you have to remember while backtesting. First, add correct leverage. Sometimes during intraday, if you have wrong leverage, it can lead to abnormal results. In my example here, I have taken a leverage of 10x. However, Indian brokers give leverage of around 5x or 3x itself. To adjust the leverage, simply click on the parameters, scroll down and go to account margin. In account margin, as you can see right now, it is 0.1. Now 0.1 represents 10x leverage. 1 divided by 0.1 becomes 10. However, if I want to make it as a 5x leverage, I'll write account margin as 0.2. 1 divided by 0.2 becomes 5. Similarly, for 3x leverage, I will write as 0.33, so forth and so on. For now, let us say I'll make account margin as 0.3, that means 3x leverage, and click on OK, and again click on backtest. Now you will see a different profit. However, winning accuracy is still the same, but the profits are different. Apart from leverage, also make sure to add brokerages and taxes. You can find brokerage and taxes detail on brokerage calculators like Zerodha brokerage calculator, Upstox brokerage calculator, etc. Usually, a discount broker in India will charge you approximately 0.03% of the turnover on the buy and 0.03% on the sell turnover, close to 0.06% on the entire buy and sell turnover. To add that in the form of brokerage and commission, simply go to AMI broker, go to the settings, and in the commission and rate add 0.03 and click on OK, and then again click on backtest. Now the backtest report will have the reports after removing taxes, brokerages and slippage. Third thing that you have to remember is that have a detailed study. Only seeing profit in the backtest report is not enough. Check what is working in the strategy and what is not working in the strategy. Factors like drawdown, max drawdown, Sharpe ratio can also help you improvise your strategy. In my backtest result here, I am getting a winning accuracy of 48% and losing accuracy of 51%. And a profit of around 56%. But apart from that, you will also have to check what is working in your strategy. To get the complete report, click on this report icon that you see here and check what is working in your strategy. You will also see max trade drawdown, max trade percentage drawdown, maximum system drawdown, recovery factor, etc. These reports can also help you understand what exactly has to be improvised in your strategy to make it more profitable. Apart from that, in the reports you have charts. In the chart, you will see how exactly your strategy has worked, in which month it hasn't performed, and in which month it has performed well. My strategy has not performed well in October month. In October month, it has given me a drawdown of close to 22%. Apart from October month, it has worked well in November, December and January. Also, here is the month-on-month performance. In the month of October, we made a profit of 16%. In November, we made a loss of 8%. In December, we made a profit of 31%. And in January, so far, we have made a profit of 12%. So this way, you will understand in which month the strategy has worked, in which month the strategy has not worked, what is working in your strategy and what is not working in your strategy. So this is how you scan, explore and backtest a strategy. So summarizing whatever we have seen today, we have seen how to scan or explore a strategy and how to automate using that. We have also backtested a strategy and seen how factors like drawdown, Sharpe ratio and other ratios can help you make money in the market by improvising your strategy. And of course, for automation, you can always check out our automation video to understand how exactly these AFLs can be used for automation. You can get Supertrend along with the other 10 AFLs that you see on your screen, the entire kit at just 12,000 rupees. So 10 AFLs in 12,000 rupees, that means one AFL will hardly cost you 1200 rupees. That's it. So in the next video, I'm going to show you explanation of other AFLs that you see on the screen. See you in the other videos. Thank you.